you gotta hold on to her, cause see that's what happens when you run over stuff. Can you hold? You gotta hold on to her.
Let's go. I don't know where to go.
When she gets bigger, you have to show her to keep her feet on the pedal.
Yeah, she can't reach him yet.
Yeah.
I remember Caitlin. Careful, she's
Teddy,
leaning.
run away!
Caitlin's second birthday. I got a bike. That's funny. Oh.
My own motorcycle.
Teddy gets to be in prison for a while.
You know, they have an attachment. Oh, your video?